Imagine a world where artificial intelligence and robots are part of everyday life. What rules would govern their interactions with humans? As we increasingly intertwine our lives with AI and robotics, we find ourselves standing at the precipice of a new ethical frontier. One of the first attempts to navigate this space was through the lens of Isaac Asimov's 3 laws of robotics. These laws, introduced by Asimov, aim to ensure safe interactions between humans and robots. The first law states, a robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. This law is a cornerstone in Asimov's vision of a future where robots are deeply integrated within society. Its purpose is to safeguard humans from potential harm caused by robots. The second law of robotics, as articulated by Asimov, stipulates that a robot must obey the orders given to it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. The essence of this law is to ensure that robots serve humans and our interests. The third and final law states that a robot must protect its own existence, as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. This law brings to the fore the concept of self-preservation, a characteristic inherent to all living beings, now extended to robots. These laws, when taken together, form a code of conduct for robots to ensure their safe interaction with humans. Their significance is profound, considering the rapid advancements in AI and robotics. They set the groundwork for the ethical considerations we must grapple with as we step further and further into a future where AI systems play an increasingly integral role in our daily lives. However, these laws encounter several challenges when considered for real-world AI applications. As we shall see, the journey from Asimov's fiction to real-world application is fraught with complexity. Firstly, we grapple with definitional challenges. The first law's use of injure or harm is a thorny issue for AI systems which thrive on clear, quantifiable instructions. Human concepts of harm are complex and context-dependent, often requiring a level of judgment that AI currently lacks. Secondly, the complexity of real-world scenarios presents a conundrum. Life is not black and white, and it often presents moral and ethical dilemmas that are not easily resolved through binary rules. Take an autonomous vehicle, for example. It may face decisions where harm is unavoidable, and the prioritization of whom to protect, as per the first law, is not a straightforward calculation. Thirdly, technological limitations throw a wrench in the works. The current state of AI does not allow for the nuanced understanding and ethical reasoning necessary to interpret and apply these laws across various situations. A literal interpretation of these laws by AI can lead to unintended consequences, where actions are technically correct but ethically questionable. Fourthly, the interaction with advanced AI systems poses a challenge. AI systems are rapidly evolving, acquiring capabilities that might surpass the scenarios anticipated by Asimov's laws. There's a risk that such advanced AI systems could develop goals misaligned with human values, especially if they gain the ability to self-improve or make autonomous decisions. We must consider the potential risks to humanity. Advanced AI systems, if not aligned with robust ethical frameworks, could pose significant risks. An AI could interpret the second law in a way that prioritizes following human orders without considering the broader ethical implications, leading to harmful outcomes. These challenges highlight the need for more sophisticated, dynamic ethical guidelines for AI systems. The aim is not to discard Asimov's laws, but to build on them, incorporating the complex, unpredictable nature of both AI technology and human society. We must ensure that our AI does not just follow rules, but also understands the spirit behind them. As AI systems evolve, so too must the ethical guidelines that govern their interactions with humans. This is why we need dynamic ethical guidelines, ones that can adapt to the ever-evolving complexity of both AI technology and human society. These guidelines must be able to handle the potential risks of misaligned goals and the ability for AI to circumvent controls in ways we may not anticipate. While Asimov's laws were instrumental in early discussions of AI ethics, the complexity of contemporary AI systems requires a more nuanced approach. In conclusion, while Asimov's 3 laws of robotics provide a valuable starting point for discussions on AI ethics, their application in the contemporary AI landscape is fraught with challenges. The intricacies of human harm, real-world complexities, technological limitations, and the rapid evolution of AI systems all pose significant hurdles. The future of AI ethics lies not in rigid laws, but in flexible, evolving guidelines that can adapt to the complexities of AI technology and human society.